glad I'm not flying out today. It's bloody windy. I think hopefully calmer tomorrow. My plane will be all over the place. It's a bit rocky yesterday coming into land, sharp turn just becoming to Reykjavik. Nice sunny evening though. Got in 20 minutes early. Good view behind me as well. With the Fells Mountains just off the bus terminal. Only got the one full day here for the Golden Circle tour. Will probably be the best thing to do. Bloody hell, get blown away I think, blown into the sea before you even get a chance to get anywhere near the bus at this rate. Ah, this is brutal, I should have brought my U-shanker. If the seagulls are flying away in fear. Got a face full of icy cold, freezing water spray. Bloody at 9:15 in the morning, wake me up.
Our first written sources therefore from the early 12th century Landnám Kristið. Iceland shall be Christian. Now we're driving through lava fields here, looking down, walking down, and then after this
windy. First stop of the day in Pingvellir. Doesn't really get the sense of expansion like you do as a view. Gloves. I'm starting to feel it a bit now, my fingers. It's just a bit chill, brutal, especially high up. Feet opening and widening by a few meters every year, separating the Eurasian and North Atlantic tectonic plate. Trying to find like where you walk alongside the Geysir tectonic plates. I mean it's all sort of around there anyway, you can see just with the cliffs here. I think it's further down, it's had a bit of a walk, so gotta get back to the bus unfortunately. Have to check it out next time. Don't really cross over it anyway. I think it might be like a bridge if you remember. You sort of just walk along. To this they used to be able to drive cars through. It's changed quite a bit, just the geology constantly moving. Back and walk down, you might be a little bit too far. So when it was clear, I'm trying to get down the hill of people. It's a bit, I think a bit longer. The way taking photos, so to wait. So actually we'll run back to the bus. It's too windy in there. Very mercurial here though, apparently in Iceland the weather can change on a drop of a hat. So it's pretty sunny and a bit of cloud around but not too heavy. It's just that wind, like hail, and then 1 minute it'll be sunny 1 minute and then hail, the guy says. Anyway, next stop the Geysir, however you want to pronounce it, tomato. That's the one I really want to see, I think. Chance to warm my hands up. Everyone's faces decidedly more red compared to before we left the bus.
Fram bæði menn og fljót, tökum saman höndum, tengjum tryggðar böndum, stríðum, vinnum vorrið.
Just arrived at the sulphur smell as well already, just at the edge. The Great Geysir, largely inactive apparently. Then you've got the Geysir, which is apparently erupts every sort of 4 to 7 minutes. I think I can just see it up ahead actually. Better with video. Apparently it erupts quickly, so trying to catch it, getting the photo I think is difficult. So I've got the little GoPro. See like the lavas rock. Cool. A lot of like black rock when you're sort of driving around Iceland because of all the obvious result, wouldn't you? I think it helps attract a lot of international investment businesses because of the cheap energy cost. It's here all like the snow, because of the snow, snowing, compact snow and stuff. There it is, walking right past it. Bizarre, just all stood around like this week. It's maybe happen. Well, it doesn't really happen, but Geysir. It's also with the wind. Centre there, obviously opening of the vent, spare out of deeper, leads down the vent into the outer crust of the air. There's a little mini blow. Hopefully that means it's come. Where he stood down there, when it goes off, the wind's blowing. By the Geysir. Some problems getting up, I think. Can sympathise. Most men can sympathise. You're miss it. Get more active. stand at all. This isn't even the highest point. There's a higher point just up ahead. Don't try and climb that. How long? Who knows? God knows who long. God knows who long. Bloody hell. To Iceland, come to the Gulf, there's Waterfall just everywhere, open. I recommend maybe doing some exercises, showing fires, nice view at the top of the mountains, like mountain range, so like central Iceland area, I believe. Peaks in the distance. Pretty much every area looks just like a natural sort of wonder. Really is. Sparse beauty. Beautiful at times. Bloody cold. South winds literally it's a rail here. God don't be rail as sturdy as it looks. Just a little after 5, so heading out. Gone really nice now, the wind's finally sod off. Yeah, it's gone nice and kind of not really sunny, a little bit of cloud, but nice evening, calm finally. Gotta get up early in the morning, not looking forward to it, but just heading out. Didn't go out last night, didn't have the energy in the end, and would have only been out for an hour or so. In a lot of places, being a Monday, we're closing early-ish anyway. Head out for a drink or two, probably about as much as you can afford anyway, without getting a bloody mortgage. Starving now though. A little place down at the harbour front, might try out like a fish place. Really hungry, only had a late sort of lunch, but I think just moving around, busy day. Do you get a lot of this sort of socialist sort of housing here? I think very sort of socialist minded driven country, so mix it like this and more basic prefab kind. Like the older wooden houses, town hall. Keep seeing this church around a lot as well. It's like a sort of Romanian, Moldovan type church, a bit out of place here in sunny old Reykjavik. A lot of them still have like the original wooden windows as well, which surprises me. In a place like Iceland with the weather it's got, must be quite harsh, cold at times. Yeah, I think on the periphery of the city, outside like the old town harbour bit, downtown bit, a lot of the buildings replaced with like these 1930s, somewhat bland facades. Start giving way to like the older wooden structures. We're like 18th century, 20th century on. See down to like the mountains there, sea. The sort of fell. Lovely evening actually, perfect evening to wander around. Yeah, slowly giving way to spring finally. I think today was the last of the real bad weather possibly. Like you said, it only sort of really gets around 12 degrees in summer. The old wooden ones are like painted various colours, just so you don't lose it and lose your house in a snowstorm trying to find your way home. Such a difference now to how it was earlier today, like really calm. It's the spire, steeple of the cathedral, main church cathedral over there. Like not too far from the main bus station. If you ever get lost, just look out for that and you'll have a rough idea where you are. Didn't realise until coming in last night, it's a bit like the Chrysler build, sort of all lit up, like shimmering at the top of the spire. Can't remember, it was built, I think it's sort of like 60s maybe. It's got that sort of look to it, modernist look rather than postmodernist. Not early enough for like 30s, a bit like stone, like rocks. Reminds me a bit of the Giant's Causeway, but sort of vertical. There's a few bars around here, remember? Sun's actually so bright now, it's blinding me. Every so often the intervals in the building sort of shines through and blinds me. Check out this bar. I don't know what the hell it is actually. Mad if it is a bar. More like a teepee. Looks interesting though. A place like that always captures my interest. Curiosity, yeah. I think I walked past it last night. Might pop in later. I think it is a bar. More bohemian bar here. Record shops and stuff. Well, there's just too many places seeing that. I think, oh, fancy going in there. But just not got the time on this trip. Only a stepping stone this. Up to the main street here, yeah, leads up to Cathedral. Or one of them. And the other main streets just run sort of parallel. So this looks like they might start kind of early here, even on a Tuesday night evening. Drinking, that is, which is good. A bit of a lively atmosphere. Seeing as I'm not going to be out massively late, I think. I'm guessing. The brown bar, wasn't sure if it's still open when I walked past yesterday. It's unlikely. Anyway, I need some food. Famous soup you've seen online. You must have missed that one. Not saying it isn't, but church here caught my eye, hidden away. It's like wooden construction. Could be all wooden at one point, I imagine. Big square here, I think I passed by it yesterday. And this must be the Parliament building here. The flag above it looks familiar. 1837. Oh, it's like a just like a little chartered one at first. There's this Icelandic one. Right over, steep incline, right over us. I thought that was a real person, and it's looking a bit worse over there. Weird sculptures here. It looks like he's literally just taken off from behind the trees there. Nice little spot actually, caught it at the right time, I think. Under down where the sun's just setting. But like Helsinki over there with the wooden houses surrounding. Big lake. Noisy bastards. What they don't show in your tourist brochures. All the swan shit everywhere. Looks like coming down to the old harbour parts here. Looks at it. Rather quaint. Like a bit of a bar area, I think. Mixed restaurants, shops and bars. Nice little square actually. Might be good having a drink here later, I think. You're on a polar bear and penguin puffing. Now they're having a fight. Probably the rough area at one point, the old harbour area. Drinking place. Viking girl. Big vessel actually. Don't know if it's like it's sort of scientific. It's got all the cranes and stuff on top. Or stuff like this where it's so hungry now. Set out a few hours ago. Keep going on little detours. That looks like a food market gallery here. Food hall. Does look quite interesting. That little hopping. I thought it was shut then. Seafood place down by the harbour. Just found the entrance. The harbour outside. I thought it was shut then. Just smell good round here though. Actually, a lot more going on there. Let's have a look into that. I don't know if that's really to see. I love fannying around, time for some lobsters. This is good. There's a big bit of salmon actually. It tells me basking shark isn't on the menu. Very nice that. Wasn't cheap. Got a decent sized bowl of soup. Lobster as well. I think it's sort of Thai curry but soup. And I thought it'd just be like little bits of salmon on the skewer, but it's like a whole big fillet stuck on a skewer, so good to cheese worth. I'll have to get like a hot dog or chips later, but I'll still be up. Tasty that one. Thank God. It's sleepy now though. Go for some drinks, probably just round the corner. Head back. Early start tomorrow. Pub to a chance it says happy hour till 9, so yeah, it's got it for happy hour, so it's about the price of the pints at home, which isn't cheap anymore, but it is what it is, about parity. So it's the cheapest drink.
What's your name?
Dominic.
Yep.
Busy in here, so I've just had to sit in this little corner on my own, the like dart area. Just got to watch I don't get a dart in the side of the head. Probably just stay for the one here and then move on to somewhere a bit further in the centre. Try out this place I was looking at yesterday, like a rack bar.
Sjálfsagt, Robert Downey Jr. hefur tilnefnt sjálfsagt á Óskarsverðlaunum 2003 var tilnefnt, þannig að þetta þá fyrir kvikmynd sem kemur úr 2002. Yeah.
The old coffin door here. It was interesting, so shut up time, so got a bit of a lie-in tomorrow at least, so it says the flight's delayed 2 hours and I feel it's not going to be leaving till at the earliest tomorrow evening because it says heavy snow in there, strong winds until like 9 o'clock. Interesting little bar though. Walked in thinking there was going to be a live band and it turned out to be a pub quiz instead. It's back with a vengeance. Shitty camera, phone work here. Another promenade somewhere, which is not what I wanted to do. Bloody freezing. I think I'm pretty much all the way down there and round. Bit of a walk annoyingly. I suppose wasn't supposed to be walking along the promenade for the icy cold wind. Though someone was going for a jog, so you just need to grow up here. Try and get as good a sleep as I can. Whatever tomorrow holds, I have a feeling it's going to be a bit chaotic. There's a load of like settlements on the other side, didn't realise. Just looked like it was barren, sort of like mountainscape. Seems like a lot of lights there. Curious now. Maybe if we get trapped here another night, I'll have to go and investigate. There's a bit of cloud there. No northern lights out, but it's a perfect night for searching for northern lights. Probably can't see it on the camera, but pretty much clear sky. There are not too many stars. Yeah, it's probably the street lights. It's this thing, completely forgot about it. Forget what it's called. Like the old Viking boat sculpture. Got my Geysir camera. Didn't realise it's here, completely forgot about it. It's a bit better now. It's quite cool actually. I know it from pictures of Iceland. Shame it's in the dark. It's meaning to get down here and get a picture of it in the daylight. The mountains in the background. Can't really see it on camera unfortunately. Take a picture all lit up. It's good though. I believe there's like a peace monument, like the light shoots up as well. I can't see anything at the moment. The Viking vessel. Yeah. Distant ties to Danish culture. Vikings came over, something like 10th century I think, or something like that. Check out this lighthouse here. See how else that